Hello everyone, my name is Gordon Guclu and today I'll be going over laser beam welding. And we'll be going over how laser beam welding works, the history of laser beam welding, a video example, and the advantages and disadvantages of laser beam welding. And how laser beam welding works is that a high energy laser source such as CO2 or fiber laser uh, is used, and the beam is focused through mirrors onto a small spot for precise welding. And intense heat causes the material to vaporize and create a small controlled weld pool. And shielding gases such as argon and helium are used to prevent interaction between the environment and the metal to prevent oxidation and weld contamination. And the history of laser beam welding revolves around the history of lasers. And in 1917, Albert Einstein produced the phenomenon of stimulated emission, which is laser. And 1939, Dr. Fabricant theorized the use of stimulated emission to amplify radiation. In 1950, the quantum theory of stimulated emission is developed for emission of microwaves. And 9 years later, Gordon Gould theorized that stimulated emission can be used to amplify light. And the first working prototype of laser is developed at Hughes Research Labs, and the first CO2 laser is developed by Kumar Patel at AT&T Bell Labs. And here's a video example. It's 35 seconds. So as you can see, the two parts are being welded together. And the advantages of laser beam welding include the ability to weld thin and delicate materials, and high welding speed and minimal distortion. And some disadvantages include high equipment cost, its sensitivity to material properties such as reflectivity, absorption, and thermal conductivity, and you need a lot of careful alignment. And you can only weld laser beam weld like certain thicknesses, and you have to deal with surface contamination and maintenance requirements. And here are my references. Thank you for your time.